Hello, friends. How are you all? Hope everything is fine in your world. Welcome to my channel, Sai Spiritual Healing. I took a long gap to make this video since I was busy in my other project works. I would try my best to give you continuous videos so that it can help you in a regular basis. Today I would be sharing a short explanation on the next universal law, that is the law of compensation. The law of compensation is what everyone is after. What will I get? How much will I get? How fast can I get? Although the law of compensation does cover these questions, focusing on only this aspect will leave you very short in the compensation department. The law of compensation basically states that you will be compensated for your actions, similar to the law of cause and effect. What you do affects what you get. What you sow, so shall you reap. But this isn't about money. That is where most people get the wrong idea about this law. Sure, compensation will come in the form of money sometimes, but this is everything in your life. Ralph Waldo Emerson said in his essay titled Compensation that each person is compensated in like manner for that which he or she has contributed. Most precisely, he says, the whole of what we know is a system of compensations. Every defect in one manner is made up in another. Every suffering is rewarded, every sacrifice is made up, every debt is paid. Now, let us just see why this law of compensation is important. The law of compensation is important because you get in return what you give. Efforts, contributions, love, joy, hate, resentment, whatever you give, you get back in return. It can be positive or negative, it is up to you. Suppose you are contributing negative things, you would get negative things in return, and if you're giving out positive things, you will get back positive things in return. Money doesn't matter here. In fact, money is probably the worst thing to try to get compensated on. Although it does work, this law of compensation is more along the lines of feelings, thoughts, ideas, etc. This is important because if you are getting compensated for something in your life, it is what you are throwing out every single time. Think that money is hard to come by and you need to hold on to it. I'll bet you never get money. So always you have to think positive to get compensated on a positive note. I'll just tell you how you have to use this law of compensation to your advantage. Firstly, think about what you are currently being compensated for. Look at the aspects of your life what you are getting. Think about what you are contributing to. Part of the law is you get compensated for what you contribute. Look at the effort, thoughts, ideas, beliefs, and other things you are putting out there. Secondly, give without thinking of being compensated. And again, this isn't about money. There are other things also except money in this world. Give more love, hope, kindness, thoughtfulness, happiness, all the good feelings and vibrations. And these you have to give without anything being returned. You should not have an expectation that when you're giving, I should get this, then only I will give back. No. You have to give everything without any expectations. That means you should have zero expectations and you have to give with a whole heart. Then only the compensations will come back to you manifold. Friends, please like, share and subscribe to my videos if you like to see these videos in future also, and press the bell icon to get notifications on my regular updates. Thank you.